If you want to take a gesture screenshot on Motorola Moto G87, then we have two gestures that we can actually use on this phone. So the first gesture is just touch and hold 3 fingers on the screen. There we go. And as you can see, we have captured a screenshot. This gesture can be enabled or disabled by going to settings. Over here, scroll down a little bit and go to gestures. And then here we have 3-finger screenshot. So if you want to use it, of course, you just want to make sure that it is enabled in here. Besides that, in the gestures, we can also find quick launch. And this is the double tap of the back of the phone. You can double tap the back of the phone in order to do something. So here we want to make sure that it is enabled. And then you can go to settings and you can select take screenshot. If you have it set up like that, then you should be able to double tap the back of the phone and you should be able to take a screenshot. Now, usually I tap like over here right next to cameras, and you can also go to try it out over here in order to get a feedback. So you can double tap anywhere you want to in order to see if this is the correct spot. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.